Yeah.
So hello all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm again back with some of the Udemy premium courses completely free for you all. So without wasting our time, let's begin with our today's Udemy courses. So the first course for today is reverse engineering. So guys, if you are interested to learn about reverse engineering, about debugging and malware analysis, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 6 hours and you will definitely get a certification on completion. The link is given in the description box. The second course for today is on digital forensics. So guys, if you are interested in digital forensics and you want to learn about computer forensics, mobile forensics, auto spy, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 6.5 hours. The third course for today is based on nanotechnology. So guys, if you are interested in nanotechnology, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 2.5 hours. The fourth course for today is color theory basics. So guys, if you are interested to learn about the color theory, you want to understand and implement color theory on your own, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 1 hour. The fifth course for today is beginner's guide to create basic logos. So guys, if you want to create the logos, then you can go for this course. They will teach you how to create logos using the free softwares like Canva, Ucraft, Vector, Design Evo, and many others. So you can go for this course if you are interested. The length of the course is 4 hours. The sixth course for today is Agile Project Management. So guys, if you are interested in Agile, Scrum, Kanban and XP, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 4.5 hours and there are 12 articles in this. So if you are interested, you can go for this. The seventh course is on NLP of beginner level. So guys, if you are interested to learn about the most powerful tool, neuro linguistic programming, then you can go for this course. The course is of 6.5 hours and you will get a certification on completion. And the eighth course for today is natural language processing. So guys, if you are a data scientist aspirant, then I hope you must know what is natural language processing. It is a part of data science basically. So if you want to do some real world projects on this, then you can go for this course. They will teach you 3 real world business problems. So you can go for this course. The length of the course is 5.5 hours. The ninth course for today is DevSecOps. So guys, if you want to deploy your own website from scratch using AWS, so you can go for this course. You will also be able to learn about React, Express, MongoDB and all. So the length of the course is 5 hours. So if you are interested, you can go for this course. The 10th course for today is learn to lead and manage the people side of an organization. So guys, if you want to learn how to manage the people in an organization, how to build positive corporate culture, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 3 hours. The 11th and the final course for today is remote working and virtual management. So guys, if you want to learn about the virtual management, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 1 hour and there are 38 downloadable resources. So if you are interested, you can go for this course. The link is given in the description box. So guys, that's all for today. I will be coming with more Udemy courses in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe and like it. Thank you all.